Editorial Services West, in association with Field Test Journal, presents a how-to video on cleaning a dryer exhaust hose and vent.
Hey guys, one of the more important maintenance jobs that you have to do around the house is to periodically clean out the dryer vent. The buildup of lint makes the dryer run inefficiently, and it can also be a fire hazard. Most dryers are relatively light, so make plans to get behind it like you're moving or you're doing a fresh install of the appliance. Typically, there is a hose or pipe that connects the dryer to an outside vent. Disconnect the pipe from both the wall and the dryer. You can inspect the inside of this pipe to make sure there is not an excessive amount of lint buildup. If it's too restricted with lint to remove easily, the best option may be to simply replace the flex pipe. If it's like this one and just needs a little cleaning out, then it's worth the time and effort to remove the lint. This task is not unlike that of a chimney sweep. In this case, we're going to use this loop at the end of the broom handle to thread a rag through it so we can run the broom handle through the pipe to clean out the lint. After giving it a thorough clean out, we inspected the pipe and decided we'd see if we could get it even cleaner yet. This time the results look pretty good. Next, we cleaned out the section of the pipe that goes through the wall and is connected to the vent on the exterior of the house. We then gave attention to the exhaust pipe at the rear of the dryer. We cleaned lint out of that area as well. It's a good idea when doing maintenance of this type to thoroughly clean the area around and under the appliances. In this case, sweeping with a broom got the job done, but a shop vac would also be a good choice. Next, we attach the pipe to the exterior vent. We also reattach the pipe to the dryer exhaust. After plugging the electrical supply back in, we move the dryer back into position. This can take a bit of juggling as you make sure that the exhaust hose does not get kinked or bent. Finally, we gave attention to cleaning lint from the exterior part of the vent, which actually freed up the little damper flap to work as it should. We started up the dryer again. It exhausted a little bit of lint that was still loose in the pipes. It doesn't take very long to do a maintenance job like this, but it's well worth it. not only for the safety of your family, but also so you can have a little extra money because that dryer is running as efficiently as possible.
For more information on the tools used in this project, visit fieldtestjournal.com.